Hey Songbird, over the years I have shared with you so many of my favorite daily vocal exercises. And today I am compiling my best 5 in this video for you to check out. Hope you enjoy it. All right, why don't you come along with me? Girls here, guys here. Straw and you sing some random sirens from your very, very low to your very, very high ranges for about 2 minutes, like this. Girls here, guys here. Let's go. Nice and lazy. Let the jaw go. Let the tongue be sloppy. Here we go. Blah, 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 blah. Lazier than that. That's it. Well done. Good. Now get lazier. Good, good, good. Drop that jaw more. That's it. Let the tongue go. Sloppier. That's it. Remember, the higher we go, the lazier. Now your turn. Come along with me. Go, yeah? You can go on your own now. That's it. Keep the jaw long. Nice work. Yeah. Last one. Fantastic. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. Songbird, if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a like and also subscribe to the channel. It's going to help other songbirds just like you find this video and actually learn to sing as well. Now, if you would like a video showing you the best daily workout to do every single day to help you sing better, go and check out this video here. You're going to love it. And if you want to go deeper with your vocal technique, please go to my website and check out my online courses and programs. I will see you there.